the ability to understand consumers wherever they are has become a lot easier, and I think there's two trends to that. One is that our technology to do that and our sort of data science to actually match people up across multiple devices is a lot stronger. And I think the second piece is that there's a lot more identifiable devices that return identifiers that can sort of be built into this big match network. So this is something that traditionally sort of sat on the desktop computer side, and then we added in mobile devices, and now we're at the point where we're adding in smart TVs, we're adding in over-the-top devices, and also critically we're adding in the set-top box as well. So the ability to now network all of these devices together and then understand a user wherever they are in any of these devices and their entire kind of data footprint means that we can start to approach planning and understanding how we reach particular consumers in different times and then activate against those as well. So, obviously the household and particularly the TV screen in the living room is incredibly valuable real estate and inventory. And with sort of advances in both being able to merge that data and deliver it to those set-top boxes and other TV technologies, and then be able to insert ads in a dynamic fashion, we're now starting to be able to take some of the very best practices that we've developed in the programmatic space and apply them in the TV buying world. I think from a macro level, the value that our clients really see in being able to look at cross-screen planning and then cross-screen activation is twofold. The first is a very traditional sort of view of it, which is you just have much better control around reach and frequency with consumers. Before, we've had to sort of look channel by channel, and if your ideal frequency across all devices is let's say 10 or 20, you have the potential to deliver 10 or 20 in every single one of those channels. It's hard for you to control in a cross-plan fashion. The second piece, and this is very much the newer, more programmatic promise, is the ability to deliver the right ad in the right time as well. So now you can start to better understand where a user is in the consumer journey and understand whether you need to serve them a branding message that really starts to encourage them to switch, or a conversion message that gets them into the store or gets them online to a website to convert right away. So I think it's the messaging opportunity becomes very critical at this juncture as well. So I think that the sort of work that had to go in to even make cross-screen activation possible meant that we've started to solve for the attribution piece along the way. Because we've started to network in these devices, these TV devices, to the broader device graph, again, desktop and mobile as well, we have a better understanding of every single touch point now within a media plan tied back to a user, which means that we're able to apply much more sophisticated attribution techniques that start to be able to look at the incremental value of every single impression. So we're able to aggregate this up again to very traditional kind of media mix model projects, reach frequency curve analysis, et cetera, but it also gets us really close to the kind of newer wave of digital attribution techniques in a cross-channel fashion.